My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Nuhb. Nuhb is the ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is extremely damaging because it encrypts the files and does not allow people to use these files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a tremendous amount of ransom for file decryption. So it initially encrypts the files, and then it adds a special extension called Nuhb. This is why the ransomware is called like that. So before the ransomware attack, people could open the files, but after the ransomware attack, it is no longer possible to open this documentation. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Nuhb extension. So it is not possible to open and to use these files anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files and tells the victims to pay a huge ransom amount for the file decryption. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that your files would be restored. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program through this green download button, install the application, and then begin investigating your system. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of identifying and deleting the majority of threats, including adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, and so on. So after Combo Cleaner is successfully started, it will be in the trial mode initially. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan, and the program should begin researching and investigating your system. Of course, it should first of all update its anti-malware database if you have just installed it. And this is definitely crucial for proper detection and elimination of any malware. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. So you need to wait a little bit, I guess, until the scanning is fully accomplished and completed. And I forgot to mention that the website combocleaner.com offers you to download the version of Combo Cleaner either for Mac computers or for Windows computers. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact location. And we recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether and automatically.